So now we're going to look at the last part of today's class. And for now, we're going to limit the class to these small visuals that we've made. In the next class, we are going to look at scatter plot, tree map, map charts, tables, and matrix, and see how we can do more on this, including I don't know if you can get data for funnel charts, you can look at funnel charts and the rest. So, but for now, let's quickly just see this simple dashboard. Also, when you're doing analysis for a company, you might have to dedicate different pages for different projects. A page can be dedicated for sales, a page can be dedicated for customer, and that says for product, and that says for region, for continent, or whatsoever. So you can have different pages for different analysis. But here, we just have to do a small one so that we can learn from it. Now, next thing I want to add now is to add sliders to this filter, to this dashboard rather. So I'm going to use, we have new slider and we have old slider. Just like we have card visual and new card visual. So new card visual has more features compared to the old visual. This one is just one card, but you can see that this one has you can change the color or column, you can make it grid also. So as you can just do as you like with this, you can play with this as you like. Unlike the old one that we have to do one by one. Okay, so let's use new visual for new slider for now. Now the first slider we're going to add now is going to be, what should be our first slider we're going to add here? Let's add um the first visual we're going to add. Let's look at customer or weekday and weekend. Let's look at the week status and see single select. You can have single select. That's okay. It's only two, so you can have much more than one select. Shape a rectangle, rounded rectangle. Let's see if that will make sense. Okay, okay. I think that's pretty good. And layout, so it will be single row, two column, single row. Okay, and what else again? The color value there. Let's put at the center, and let's broaden it. So let's stay there. Let's just stop there for now. That, and let's add another slicer again. Let's add another slicer again. So we add border to this also. Let's add border to it. Border, border. Let's add border to it. Then rounded border, rounded. We don't need the header. Come. Border columns with black, and let's add the shadow. Since we have added shadow to other one, let's turn on the shadow. We're going to maintain the same shadow. This like to look more 3D. Okay. Unlike in Excel, where we are going to connect it to other visuals, you can see that automatically you can see how our sales work during the day or the weekday and weekend. And this also, let's quickly format this. We have more sales on weekday, 17 million, and weekend we have this. And we can clear filter from here. Okay, let's add the other one. Let's look at one other filter that we can add. This place is a small one. We'll have to look at date, but no problem. Let's look at the year. Let's look at the year only. Let's just use the year only. Let's see if we can copy this format and just display that on this. Okay, so let's just focus on year by year and we can check it across weekday, 2014 weekday. If you have more slicer, you can apply more slicer also. So let's clear the slicer for now and clear the slicer for now. And here, if you want to select more than one slicer, you can put in order the setting here, you can make it possible. That the setting here, you can allow multiple select. Instead of single select, it means you can select more than one. This is 2 years now, and you can remove 1 year and remove the other year. Now let's add. We've not formatted even this. Let me just copy this, place on it. For now, even though they are not the same, it doesn't work. If it is old card visual, it will have added this top bar to it. But this is a new card. Okay, no problem. Okay, and it has added border to it. Okay, let's look at this and go to settings. That's what we can do with layout, single row, color values, and let's apply the same thing to all of them once and for all. Code, center, and level code. Okay, and, label, label, and I'm holding this label too. I would have done one by one, but because of the time, not do that now. And where do you want the name to show? Is it below or above? Make it above or below. Then add card, triangle, snip bottom. So instead of rounded corner, I use the snip top and bottom here. Padding should be narrow. This is the space between this and this. That is the padding there. Border, add on the shadow for individual inside here. Let's do this. Then we'll do the font, the color value. Color value we do so that it won't enter where it's entering there. Okay, I think we are good at this point. Then let's quickly add a header to this so that we can complete this. Insert the text box. The text box. So you can say BMC January 2025 sales dashboard. So I'm bolding this and we can increase the size. So I think we have done something good. So, we are going to stop here for today, and we'll continue from here next week, where we will look deeper into some of these. We had more dark functions, and we'll look at some other functions at the top here. So, any question for now at this point? Any question? And mind you, if you don't, if you are skeptical about adding colors also, one, okay, I was saying something earlier. I said you can also build a that you can design your background from PowerPoint, and then you bring it into your dashboard here as a background. So when you come to page information, under the page, sorry, this is what we do the setting earlier. Under the canvas settings, you can do the size like I did earlier, and you can also have the canvas background. Here you can see that my background is white. Here you can change the background of your visual. I change the background of the visual. Sorry, background of the canvas itself, and you can use image from your system. You can bring in image. If you have a dashboard you've created, background you've created, you can import the background from here. Also, you can also have what is called under the view. You have theme. You can also use a theme. You can select a theme from here. Currently, this is what we use. The default. You can select anything of your choice. See that it will change the orientation of the color mixture, and other things will change when you select any other theme. So you can look at anything. Choice if you don't know how to combine the colors, always check out all these options that you have in your system. So I think even this is supposed to be, you can make this one, you can change the background of this one also. And if you change the background of this, okay, let's leave it now. If we want to do this, we'll have perhaps make it white and give it maybe a blue background like other ones, or we insert a shape. We now put this inside the shape like we did in Excel. But this is not bad, though. It's not bad. So let's leave this and we'll meet it next week. Thank you very much. Any question? Any question?
No question. The part that I missed out on because I joined quite late, I'll rewatch and catch up.
The video.
Probably.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
All right.
Mr. Kwam, any question from your hand?
I'm good, sir.
Okay, you are good. Okay. Thank you very much. I think we can call the class off. So I want to do this before I shut down the video. So this one that we did earlier that went off. I want to change the legend. I hope the legend and the data label will come up, and I'm going to make it all details, which is okay. Then outside and the let's again right up here. The first visual, the event option. Okay, the value. Here it is. So just increase the put and bold in this so you can know what each of them gold card, classic card, and silver card. Oh, this is platinum, very small. Platinum card is very small. That is it for today. Thank you very much. We'll meet next week, Saturday, inshallah.